Hello friends, today in this tutorial I'll be showing you that how to generate a billing invoice PDF document inside Python using this invoice generator library. So this is a step-by-step blog post which I written in the video description. So the link will be there inside video description of my step-by-step blog post. So this will be the PDF document which will be generated. This is invoice billing here. So if you're running any sort of shop, so you need to generate this invoice, you can use this library, and the link will be there inside video description. So this is the all the Python code which is necessary. So let me just start building this application. So this is the application. So if you run this file here, so you will see in the left hand side, let me delete this file here, which first of all. So now if I go to command prompt and run python app.py. So if I run this file, you will see in the left hand side it will create the PDF document invoice.pdf. So this is a document. So if I open this with the Google Chrome, so you will see it will contain this invoice PDF document. So it will contain these four items. This is a total price. It is price per one, total price, number of units. This is a creator here. You will see the name you can just change here. Company name you can change here in the provider section. This is payment information. QR code is also embedded inside this invoice PDF document. So this you can just customize accordingly to your own details. So let me just show you how to do this. So first of all, we are using a Python third-party library, which is invoice generator. So if you go to the blog post, which is there inside video description. So first of all, you need to install this dependency, which is pip install invoice generator. So just write this command on the command prompt. I have already installed this library. So after doing that, just make let me delete all the files here and start from scratch. So just make app.py, and first of all you need to import the library. So first of all we will import operating system, which is a built-in dependency. Then we will import the required libraries. So from invoice generator dot API we need to import first of all the client, the creator of the PDF document. So these are subset of the library. Then we will import invoice, then we will import provider, and then we will import item. So this is we need to write. Next line we need to import invoice generator dot pdf. From this we need to import simple invoice. So just write these lines here. This is necessary. So we have imported all the libraries here. First we have imported the built-in dependency, which is operating system. Then we have imported this third-party library which we installed here. So after doing that, we need to set the language of the PDF document. So which the language that you are seeing here. So this is English language. So first of all, we need to set this language. So if you go to the blog post here, this is a line here which sets the language here. So I will just copy this line. So paste it. So we are using this operating system module for this. So we are setting this environment variable, and we are setting an invoice language to EN. So this is ISO code here, ISO code for English language. Then we need to set the creator name, which is there at the bottom of the PDF document. So you will see John Williamson Latham. So you can change this creator name as well. So for setting this creator name and all that stuff, we need to write these three lines, which if you go to the video description, first of all, we need to initialize the company name by invoking this client constructor here. So here we can pass any company name of your choice. Let's suppose we pass YouTube. So you can just pass your company name here, pass your company name, or you can also pass your shop name as well. So this totally depends upon you. The next line we will write here, which is you can provide additional details as well inside your invoice. So here you can provide first of all company name, what's once again, which is YouTube. In this case you can just change it to anything of your choice, and then you need to provide bank account details as well if you want to, bank code as well. So this is all that you can just customize. Then on the next line we can change the creator, whichever created this PDF document. So you can just create it. So you can write your own name as well also here. So let me write my name here. That's it. So this is creator name. After that, guys, we can add, we can just initialize the invoice here, passing these three things here like this. So we have generated a invoice here. Now we need to add some details here. So add some products. So for adding items here, we can use the item constructor. So here we will pass the number of units in the first argument, which is 32. Each price of one unit is 600. So you can customize this accordingly with your own data, and you can provide a little bit description about each product. So you can just change this description to anything of your choice. You can also attach some taxes as well by using the text property. So this is totally up to you, which how you customize this invoice element. After that, we need to allow the user to generate this PDF document. So we can just, in the next two lines, we can write this. Uh, just you can also give customized name, let's suppose sample.pdf, and then you can just initialize this option, generate QR code. So if you want to embed QR code inside your PDF document, QR code is this codes here. You can see if you want to place this, you can set it to true. So now we can run this application python app.py. So if I run this, you will see on the left hand side, it will generate this sample.pdf. So we can open this document here with Google Chrome. So you will see this is the invoice PDF document, which is generated in Python using this invoice generator library here. So what you can do is that here, you can also make this false if you don't want to appear the QR code. So once again, if you run this, now it will not contain this QR code. If I open this, you will see QR code is not there. So it totally up to you how you customize this invoice PDF document. I have shown you the complete source code and in this video. So if you want to download all the source code, you can go to the video description. All the source code is there. So simply copy this. And thanks so much for watching this video. Please like the video.